Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute jumping jacks mountain climbers workout for cardio in the Tabata format, and we're going to start with high knee climbers. So follow along with me, get ready, go, and run in place with high knees from the waist down and do a ladder climb with your arms from the waist up. You're kind of going to look like Spider-Man climbing up the side of a building. So high knees from the waist down, ladder climb from the waist up. Make sure you're breathing. Stop and down. We're going to do cross-body mountain climbers. So you're going to drive your knee towards the opposite elbow. So get ready and go. Now, I don't know if you can tell here, but my knee is going to the opposite elbow. So my right knee to left knee to right elbow. Gives you a little more torque in the obliques there. Great total body exercise because you're holding your body up while you're driving your legs and keeping that core tight. Stop and up. We're going to do real jumping jacks, not those fake ones. So get ready and go. And notice how my fingers are touching together above my head, feet about shoulder width apart when they're apart. Don't forget to breathe. I think I exhale about every other jumping jack. So don't forget to breathe. Oxygen is your friend. Stop and down. Flutter kicks. You got to do this right. Lay on your back. Put your hands there under your butt and put your legs straight out 6 inches above the ground and go. So notice I'm just fluttering. Keep your knees straight. Don't bend your knees. If you bend your knees, it looks like a baby kicking in a tantrum. And just barely flutter your legs. Keep them about 6 inches above the ground, your feet about 6 inches above the ground. That'll really tighten that core. And that's the order. It's not going to change. Stop and up. High knee climbers once more. Get ready to run in place with high knees. And go. And high knees from the waist down. Ladder climb with your arms from the waist up. Don't forget to breathe. Get yourself in a nice rhythm. And climb with some intensity, with some purpose. I like to pretend that King Kong's under me and we're climbing up the side of the building and he's under me trying to catch me. Stop and down. Cross-body mountain climbers again. Get ready. Go. Just like you're running, except you're parallel to the ground, driving that knee to the opposite elbow, holding up that upper body. Core nice and tight, and don't forget to breathe on these either. I think I exhale every 4 steps, I don't know, but get yourself into a rhythm. Stop and up, jumping jacks. Ready? Go, jumping jacks fast as you can. Hey, and it's important that even though you're going as fast as you can, you do these exercises with the best form possible to get the most out of it. And just try to be smooth, because smooth is fast. So the smoother you go, the faster you're going to go with good form. Stop and back down on your back. Flutter kicks. Little flutters. Get ready. Go with the flutter kicks. Feet no more than 6 inches above the ground. Knees nice and straight. And when you flutter, you can point your toes if you want or just have them straight up and down. Doesn't matter. Either way's fine. Either way's not going to affect your core. That's what we're working out here. Stop. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take a 30-second break. I want you to take some deep breaths. Get a nice sip of water. Stretch it out. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand, online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program. Link in the description. Okay, we're going to get ready for round number 2. Order's going to be the same. We're going in 10 seconds. So get ready. We're going to do the high knee climbers first, same order. Follow me. Go. High knees for the waist down. Ladder climb from the waist up. High knee climbers. Get those knees up nice and high, back nice and straight. Good. Keep going. Stop and down, crossbody mountain climbers. Here we go. Ready? Go. Dig, dig, dig. Drive that knee up towards the opposite elbow, cross body. Don't forget to breathe. Fantastic exercise. Your core should be nice and tight. Nice and tight when you're driving. Your abs should be nice and tight. Stop and up. Jumping jacks. Get ready. Go with the jumping jacks. And the reason I have you touch your fingers above your head is I want you to open up those shoulders. Open up that rotator cuff. Get it nice and loose. Feet a little wider than shoulder width when your legs are apart. Stop and down. Flutter kicks. Hands under your butt. Get ready. Go. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Legs and feet nice and low to the ground. Feet no more than 6 inches off the ground. Fluttering. Knees straight, not bent. Stop and up. High knee climbers with 2 minutes to go. Get ready. Go. Running with high knees from the waist down. Climbing that ladder from the waist up. Look like Spider-Man going right up the side of a building. Don't forget to breathe on these too. Nice regular breathing pattern. Stop and down, crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Go. Mountain climbers crossbody, driving that knee to the opposite elbow. Dig, dig, dig. Drive it. Fast as you can, but keep your form good. Stop and up. Jumping jacks with a minute to go. Get ready. Go. Jumping jacks fast as you can. Good form. Legs shoulder width apart. Fingers touching over your head. Stop and down. Flutter kicks. On your back. Hands under your behind. Legs straight. Go. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Legs nice and low. Knees nice and straight. Don't forget to breathe on these either. Don't hold your breath. Nice regular breathing pattern. Stop and up. Okay, if for some reason this workout was a little bit too short for you, you can rewind it and play it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it. And make sure you click on this video right here for your next fat burning workout. That's it, that's all. See you next time.